I'm going to the gym. What does that mean? It's time to check the Pokemon vending machine. Wish me luck. Hello, we have a White Flare ETB for you today. White Flare and Black Bolt are really up there on my list. Some coins, some dice, some sleeves, a bunch of energy cards. We got the White Flare promo, some dividers, and we got 9 White Flare packs. You ready to rip them? Pokeball! Yeah! Ooh, Buffalant EX. Oh no. Ah! Look at that one. Harley Quinn. Yay! I'm bad at ripping cards today. Pokeball! Everybody give it up for a Pokeball. Ah! Wow! Minsha? Look how beautiful. Ah! Hydrogen EX. Oh, hit after hit. Keldeo EX. I just want to give him a pat, you know? Well, thanks for ripping that White Flare ETB with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.